Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unzip a file on Windows 10. The process is straightforward and effortless, and for this you must need software. And how can you get that software? Open your Chrome browser and write in the search bar WinRAR. After writing, tap on this option WinRAR Download. On the first number you can see the official website of the WinRAR software. Tap on this website. And here is the home page of WinRAR website. Here you don't have to go anywhere. You can see the option WinRAR 7.01. This is the download icon. Simply tap on it. And you can see the WinRAR software has been downloaded successfully. I already download the software and install it, so I will not install it again. But you must need to install this software if you are downloading it for the first time. And here are a few steps by which you can install this software. You can see this menu when you will download WinRAR. Let me show you how this software actually works. I will open a folder in my PC in which I have a file. Here is the file, and I'll extract this zip file with the help of the software. You just need to do a right-click of your mouse, and here you can see the option Extract File, Extract Here, Extract ZACJoy. So I am tapping on this option. Then this file will be extracted with the name of zip file. As you can see, the file has been extracted. So I am tapping on it. And here is the extracted file. So it was the primary way by which you can unzip a file on Windows 10. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.